Ever seen those cool bent or curved objects in designs and wondered how people do that in Canva, even though there's no bend tool? In this video, I'll show you a clever workaround that gives you that bend effect in just a few clicks, and you don't need any external apps or advanced skills. First, open the Canva project where you want the bend effect. If you don't already have an image on the canvas, just pick one from your Uploads or Canvas library and place it where you want it. Once the image is on your canvas, click on it to make sure it's selected. This opens up Canva's editing options. At the top of your screen, you'll see the edit button. Go ahead and click that. This is how you access the tools we need for the effect. Inside the editing panel, look for the apps section. A lot of people miss this area, but it's where Canva hides some of its powerful effects. From there, scroll or search for the tool called Liquify. This is the secret to creating the bend. After opening Liquify, look for the setting called Wobble. Click on it to open the adjustment controls. There are two sliders here, and both matter if you want the bend to look clean and intentional. Start by turning the wobble amount all the way up. This controls how intense the bend or distortion will appear. Then, take the wobble scale slider and move it all the way down to the lowest setting. Setting it this way smooths out the curve and helps you avoid any weird glitches or jagged edges. Once the image looks the way you want, click Save to apply the effect to your project. You'll see the image update right on your canvas. No extra exporting or tools needed. And that's it. You've bent an object in Canva using the built-in features. What's great about this trick is that you're not limited to just one style. You can keep experimenting with different wobble amounts and scales to create everything from subtle curves to artistic distortions. If this brought a new idea to your design toolbox, stick around for more Canva shortcuts and effect hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.